Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala with Masti. Today we will be talking about that why the nature loves hexagons. So let us talk about it. So you may have seen in many places that the beehives are made up of hexagon shapes. So do the bees actually make the hexagon shape, or is it something else? And in many places the volcanic rocks are also of hexagonal shape. The eyes of the uh, insects are also of hexagon shape. You may have seen that small dots in the uh, eyes of the mosquitoes. So if you uh, zoom it, so you will see that it is actually hexagonal shaped. And if you put many bubbles together, they also make the hexagonal shaped figures. So now we will talk about that why the nature loves hexagon so much. So let us talk about it. So whenever we take a thing like water bubble, so water bubble is soap bubble actually is basically there's a thin layer of soap and air is filled within it. So the surface tension of the soap uh, uh, tells the bubble molecule to minimize the perimeter as much as it can. But the soap bubble also wants to grow more. So, when there is an equal balance between the two forces, we get a circular shape. But when we put 3 4 bubbles together, so you will see that they form an angle of 120 degree, which tells us that it is a hexagonal shaped. When you put three bubbles together, it will tell us that they merge and they form a hexagon of 120-degree sides each. So let us talk about that. Why does it form hexagon? So there is a very good reason for that. So when the bubbles join up, the best balance of fewer edges and mechanical stability is only present in the hexagon shaped. Now you may say that like in the bubbles they all join together and there's no space left. If they were circle, so circle, so this space is left. But this we can do with triangles also, squares also, and the regular polygons which are there. So we can do with triangles, squares and hexagons. So why doesn't happen that they make triangular shaped or square shaped? So it is because the hexagon shaped grants the fewer edges and mechanical stability, and one scientist also proved that if they make hexagon shaped, there is very less pressure on the edges, so they can maintain a mechanical stability. So this is why the hexagonal shape is there when bubbles join together. But this doesn't explain that why bees make hexagonal shaped. So let us talk about it. So bees are not a mathematician and they do not make hexagonal shaped. They make circular shaped only. But due to the surface tension, when the heat is there, so they expand, and again because of the mechanical stability and the fewer edges, so they merge together and they form a hexagon shape because there is no space left and they all merge together and there's mechanical stability. Now let us talk about why it is there in the insect's eyes. So it is there because the insect need more light to enter their eyes. So they want maximum light to enter their eyes. So how we can do this? Again, if we want to minimize the perimeter and there should be no wastage of space, and the cell wall is also there, so to minimize the cell wall also, to minimize the perimeter of the cell wall, so what we can do is we can make it hexagonal. And this is not because of physics, but it is because of evolution and biology. So hope you understood that why the nature loves hexagon shape. So please like and share this video and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.